Hi guys, EmphPlays here, and look what I got my hands on. This beauty. It's the Gaming X Trio RTX 3060 from MSI. Man, this is a beauty. We're gonna be unboxing this now. And I'm going to be playing it on my stream later. I'm going to be making some videos and stuff like that. So be sure to check out my Twitch. Be sure to subscribe. And of course, if you like the video, why not leave a thumbs up? Let's unbox this thing. Because I can wait to just put it in my machine and just use it. Do we dare to open it? Or should we just keep it wrapped up here forever and ever? Let's start opening this thing. Are we ready? Let's just get to it. Ooh, shinies. Alright. So as you can see here, just pull it out. It's very nice. It's a big box. I'm just showing you the contents now. I'm going to be doing close-up of these in just a minute. I guess we have a lot of information up in here, warranty cards and stuff like that. I'm going to be opening this in just a little while. Just want to show you what the contents is. The top, where the envelope was. This is like the support bracket to keep it steady. I'll also be opening this in a little while. Some more rubber for probably this one. Let's see. Oh, it's heavy. It's a heavy one. Okay. That's it. That's what's inside of the box. Now let's do a little more close-up on these parts. The backside, nothing fancy, just wanted to show you the box. And just the side of it. We can see what's inside of the envelope. Which I kind of expected. Empty user guide. It's a quick user guide. Thank you for purchasing. Just a little information about MSI. Installation guide. And how to upgrade your PC with a new graphics card. Looks like a cartoon they have made. Happy overclocking. So yeah.
That's it of the brochures or the manuals that's in it. Now let's have a look at the graphics card. I can put this down here. It's a big one. Okay. I don't know if you can see it, but there's 3 display ports and 1 HDMI out on this card. Let's have a freehand. No, let's see. That was the graphic card. Now let's look at this bracket. This is supposedly to go here. So here you can see the bracket that is holding up and supporting the graphic card. It's just mounted here. Side. There's the other. Let's have a look at the card itself. Let's see if we push the button. Ooh. So there you have it. The MSI gamer rig. Cool. Thanks a lot for watching, and remember to subscribe, like the video, and also check out my Twitch. See you in another video.